Hey there crypto traders, welcome back to our video. In today's video, we're going to walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to sell Bitcoin on Coinbase, one of the most user-friendly and reputable cryptocurrency exchanges. If you're looking to turn your Bitcoin investment into real-world currency, this tutorial is for you. Let's get started. The first step is to log into your Coinbase account. If you don't have one already yet, head over to coinbase.com and sign up. Once you're logged in, you'll see your Coinbase dashboard. In your Coinbase dashboard, click on My Assets to access your crypto holdings. In the portfolio page, locate Bitcoin PTC and click on it to open the Bitcoin wallet. On the Bitcoin wallet page, click on Sell to initiate the selling process. Now, specify the amount of Bitcoin you want to sell. You can enter the amount in Bitcoin units or your local currency, and Coinbase will automatically calculate the equivalent. Double check all the details of your sale, including the sell amount, payment method, and the estimated amount you'll receive after the transaction. Click on Sell Now to confirm your sell order. Coinbase will execute the transaction. For security purposes, Coinbase may ask you to verify the sale. Congratulations, you've successfully sold Bitcoin on Coinbase. The proceeds will be transferred to your selected payment method. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to sell Bitcoin on Coinbase. Selling your Bitcoin is as easy as buying it, thanks to Coinbase's user-friendly interface. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more informative content on cryptocurrencies, trading tips, and blockchain technology. Remember, before selling your Bitcoin, make sure to stay informed about market conditions and consider your investment goals. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and share this video with your fellow crypto enthusiasts. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave them in the comments below.